This is how you can extract audio from any video you want, right from your phone in a simple and fast way. First, search on Google Play Extract Voice from Video and choose this app, Video to MP3, Video to Audio, then download it. Click on Install. Open the app. Click on Start Now and give the app permission to access your library so it can fetch and convert the videos. The app has many features, but for now, let's learn how to convert a video to audio. Click on Video to Audio. Select the video you want to convert into audio, and now you can choose the format and bitrate that suit you. You can control the audio volume either by increasing or decreasing it. Welcome to Mr. Pronoun. Now let's click on Convert and choose the frequency and channel. This app really includes features that are hard to find even in professional programs. And let's see the result. Welcome to Mr. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe for more useful content and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.